And DD India correspondent Suchitra joins us live now from Navi Mumbai. Suchitra, two evenly matched teams. What does the big contest look like today?
Good morning, Shubhendu. Yes, the teams are evenly matched, and both the teams are going to create history because these two teams have never won the World Cup, and this is the first time that two teams are meeting in the final who have never won a World Cup. So we are certainly going to have a new champion in women's cricket today. And then if you look at both the teams, then the South African skipper Laura Wolvaardt is the top scorer in the tournament. She has scored 470 runs so far, and if you look at the Indian team, then the star batter Smriti Mandhana is also in good form, and she has scored 389 runs in the tournament. So the batting is evenly matched, and also just like the men's cricket team, the South African women's cricket team also has a lot of all-rounders. That is their biggest strength, I can say. And the player Nadine de Klerk, she is being compared to Lance Klusener. If you remember the men's 99 World Cup campaign, then Lance Klusener took them to the finals, but took them to the semi-finals, but eventually they lost in the semi-finals. Similarly, Nadine de Klerk, she is playing in the lower order, and she's been rescuing the team on important occasions. And the Indian team also has Deepti Sharma as an all-rounder. Deepti Sharma has taken 17 wickets. She is the joint highest wicket taker in the tournament, and when it comes to batting, she has contributed with the bat as well. Whenever there is a requirement to accelerate the run rate, Deepti Sharma is always available there for the team. So we can say that both the teams are evenly matched. They have quality batsmen, they have quality bowling, and they have quality all-rounder. As the South African skipper yesterday said, that the key is going to be staying calm. So we'll have to see which team manages to stay calm and manages to handle the pressure of the final well today, because that is going to be the key in today's match.
Okay, and how's Mumbai gearing up for the big finals? What are the playing conditions like?
Well, Shubhendu, it's been drizzling since morning, and it's raining even now. And the weather forecast is not looking very bright for today. There is a forecast for rain. But I just expect, even the matches against New Zealand and the semi-final match against Australia, that was also played in Navi Mumbai. There was a disruption by rain, but the match was completed somehow. Only the India versus Bangladesh match, it was washed out due to rain, because the rain was heavier that day. So I hope there's a rain forecast in the later part of the evening, and it's a 50-over match. But even if both the teams play 20 overs each, it will be called a valid result under DLS system. So let's hope that rain is surely going to be there, but I hope the rain gods will also allow these teams to have a slice of history. We would like to see them create history in Navi Mumbai's DY Patil Stadium. So yes, rain is obviously going to be there, but it's going to be in patches. So we may see a result today, even though in a rain-curtailed game. And DY Patil is known for high-scoring matches. The pitch is batters friendly, so we can see a high-scoring match today also. And any team that plays well under pressure is going to become the world champion for the first time.
Okay, so Chitra, enjoy the match, and thank you for joining us with those updates.